Hi, I'm Drew Lawton from Commercial Vent Cleaning. Today our HVAC expert Brander is going to demonstrate how we clean a commercial laundry exhaust from the rooftop. Okay, Brander, let's see what we're going to do here. Going to remove the chimney cap and expose the dryer exhaust. As you can see, there's a lot of lint buildup inside the vent and going down. We're going to use a whip that's going to pull all the exhaust back. We're also going to put a bag on it to keep the lint from getting all over the roof surface. Okay, we're almost done on this one. Just doing the final touch-up. And we got a bag full of lint that didn't end up all over the roof.